how to buy Autonomi token. So this token came under the symbol of EANT. ANT. So this is the symbol of the token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply code below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on COINEX. To be able to buy this tokens, it's easy and simple. Click on MEXC. As you can see, you'll be able to see these decentralized exchange platforms. Select one of these, for example, Uniswap. Click on this pair link, as you can see, and you will be able to redirect it to Uniswap page. So what you need to do after that, click on connect here and connect your wallet. For that, I will use the WEEX wallet. So after you connect your wallet to Uniswap, what you need to do, as you can see from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC or USDC. Now make sure that you have enough USDC on that wallet that you connected. Now here, type how much you want to buy. So in a while, you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. And now click on this little arrow to be able to expand this, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token. So this is to buy, and this is how to buy EANT token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.